Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, April 22nd. Looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So far the whole overnight in ES has been traded between value low and the afternoon rally high from Friday as the market tries to get some sense of direction. Remember, and it's important that we keep reiterating, nothing changes until we take out a daily high, right? The monthlies are in balance, the weeklies are down, the dailies are down. While the monthly and weeklies cannot even begin to start changing until the daily comes back into balance. So first and foremost, the bears want to defend Friday's high, the bulls want to take it. Again, the way I've talked about, Friday's low is not as important to me because we're already down. So the bulls really need to start defending. Remember, the overnight low, the low from April is in the overnight. I would actually like to go get that and put that to rest, just like the all-time high is in the overnight. Those things generally don't hold. NQ, they've spent their overnight. Look at that. Mechanical, eh? We went up to half back. They went right up. I'm sorry, we went up to the afternoon rally high. NQ right up to half back. Trading inside here. Look. Other than the afternoon rally highs, there's not much to lean on. We had a pretty decent range on Friday, which means expect some massive chop until the market starts to digest what it really wants to do and paint its picture for this AM. So please keep that in mind. Righty is trying to come into balance early here. They're trying to take out Friday's high. We'll see if that's successful or not. So early game plan, again, we have 70 minutes to go, but this would be a very visual risk-reward short against both the overnight high and the afternoon rally high, out above it. If the overnight high turns out to be closer to value high, again, you can take it against that, out above the open, things of that nature. As far as the long goes, I mean, you have half back and overnight half back right here, but I'm not so sure I'd really want to do that. I think the best risk-reward long would be against the overnight low and use value low as your out. Remember, inside balance value, the worst of your risk-reward trades. Same thing in NQ. Good risk-reward short against overnight high and half back from Friday. And the long, again, that's a little bit too much heat to value low, so you'd have to determine where your out would be if you want to take a long to front run the overnight low. And then on the chart, again, there's nothing to show you into the daily. We're one time framing down 6 days. Now, Friday's volume was 102 million, which put it in the top 10. But again, we talk about context. It was an expiration. The volume has not been good on this push down. So just like when the market goes up on light volume, we said it could continue. Yes, it can continue. But at some point, the way they wipe out a lot of weak longs, they'll wipe out a lot of weak shorts unless larger time frames come in to start selling this market. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.